What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo, back at you with another one. Alright, man, so right now we are at Pull Apart. We're trying to see what kind of parts can we find for the old school, man. Right now I'm looking at tires because that car is too freaking heavy to be rolling. We're trying to push on them bad tires that y'all seen in the last video. And if you ain't seen that last video when we was moving the car, I'm gonna put the car right here for y'all. Make sure I go below, subscribe, comment, and like this video, become a part of this transformation. Yeah, we about to be up. Alright, man. Before we hop out here in the yard, we're gonna hop into the intro right quick. Here we go. Alright. We are out here at Pull Apart like I just said. And we might stumble across something, you never know. Alright. As you can see, they got cars for sale over here. There's no point in me even going over there because I'm not. But all these cars, I don't know how they set these jumps up and they just don't move. But yeah, I might stumble across some seats out here. Something. Some old guy with his dog. Anyway, I low-key don't even know where I'm looking. I'm just kind of just walking around. Because for one, I had to be there till 12 o'clock and right now it's like 9 o'clock. So I really got time to waste. But I gotta go back to First Auto Repair Off-Road because I don't know how to operate the damn train. I thought it was just flip the switch on the horn. But obviously I got to cut on the compressor and all that. So I got to figure out how to do it. I don't want to do it while I'm on the road or in the neighborhood. Because people will call the cops. They got a whole bunch of old school ramps out here. Old school ramps back there. A whole lot of ramps actually. A whole lot of Dodges. Got a whole lot of Dodges in this section at least. Honestly, I'm just kind of just out here walking around. It costs $1 to get in here. So, and plus I'm out here in J's. We busted J's, but it's still J's. We seen a couple cars out here that people got murdered in and whatnot. Still kind of see they got Cadillacs out here. There's just so many cars out here. One thing about places like this is if you don't get out here when the car first get here, you're not gonna get nothing out of it. And that's point period. You're gonna get scraps. Hey, look how deep this jump is. I'm basically like just in the first row. I guess if I get an engine out over there. It is a fairly cheap here too. Now the only reason I got my mask down right now is because I'm not around anybody. So, and plus the reason I'm talking low, because I don't want people to think I'm weird, and I'm talking low because I don't want people to think I'm weird. I'm talking to myself. So, like I really see. Like anything that could be, you know, appetizing. I already know for the old school, I'm gonna have to find some like a bench that has to be reupholstered. I don't want to start straight from like, you know, the bottom. If you know what I mean. Busted. Might run across one of my old cars out here. No kizzy. Car got 65. Alright, no, they ain't gonna have one of them out here. The Rim Graveyard. I gotta take a thumbnail. But I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I don't know how long this video is gonna be and whatnot. But right now we're just out here looking, see what we can find, see what we can stumble across. Oh yeah, let me get the thumbnail right quick. Okay, got it. Let's got the TV in the bed. I'm looking for leather. Leather. I might get a seaside of a Cadillac or something. Because like no matter what I get, I already know I want to get on reupholstery. That's a given. I don't just trust anybody. I need somebody that's detailed and precise. I already know who I'm going to. I might send it to Stitch by Sleep just to get the seats instead of reupholstery. That's what I'm thinking about. We started with them, see his craftsmanship. I want to go black leather with blue stitching or red stitching. I might start throwing some red accents on rainbow, because just to me personally, like the red and blue really go together to me. But honestly, I really don't care what y'all say about what I do. I'm gonna do what I want to do regardless. I'll charge it down on the leather. It's trying to mold it like I don't know what. Yeah, like I told y'all already, the reason I got my mats down is because I'm not around anybody, as you can see. You know, that Rona killing right now. It's lost two family members in less than 4 days. Friday morning and Monday night. Yeah, RIP to the family, man, for real. Lost two good ones in the family. I also need to find some, like, not really rims. I need to find something to make these cars roll. To make this car roll. When I say these, I got one. I got to. My wife gonna be mad when she see this video, but at the end of that shit, alright. Hey, yo, Coop. I don't think I got any parts on it, but yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, I mean, got door panels. I don't know what you're looking for, but got a couple of stangs out here. This one, window all fogged up. Yeah, you wouldn't want that anyway, Coop. I wouldn't want you to get that. I mean, these ain't bad. They're actually in really good condition. And it's a Lincoln. I think they're all made on the same realm. Motor company. Let me say that. Let me sound like I know what I'm talking about. Then the thing is getting out. Yeah, I might. And actually, really good condition. I wonder. I guess it's got a little fender bender. Got the fuse box and stuff still in there. Yeah, so right now that Lincoln LS has my eye. I just want that fit. Got another one over here. Yeah, it's crazy because like it's some cars you see out here that people got murdered in. I'm like, y'all don't keep these cars at the CSI places. But yeah. So this is our first trip out here. We just kind of looking to get. I mean, I didn't put everything on camera, but we did find a couple good ones. Well, let me not say good ones. We found something that we could work with. Yeah, that's the word. We found something that we can work with. So this is gonna be a short video today, y'all. I just gotta get something out. So y'all see that I'm actually working towards it, and my wife can see that I'm not buying anything. Hey, here you go, Coop. Hey, this ain't what you want, Coop. Well, I'm gonna get all my interior done on that car, but I'm trying to cut down on cost by taking out as much as I can. If anybody want to help me, man, please comment below or hit me up on Facebook. I got all my info will be down in the description. Ford Expedition. Those seats be too big. Cotton Ford Fusion. Yeah, man, it look like we ain't gonna find nothing out here today. About to go up. This is my first old school build. I wanted to build cars like for a long time, but like it was people in my life that kind of discouraged me out of doing it. Cause now that I'm older doing it, I actually understand that there's a lot more profit in it. There's a lot more profit in it than what you put in it. You just gotta put the time and effort into it. And right now I'm actually loving it. Even though like in the early stages, there's a lot of fun. So if you want to build a car or whatever, man, you do what you gotta do, man. Don't let nobody discourage you from what you want to do in life. Because you gotta remember, at the end of the day, you only got one life. So live your life to the fullest. Do what you want to do, man. I let too many people come into my life and discourage me from like doing what I wanted to do. Now that's all changing. Hey, this one ain't bad. It's not bad, you know. So we got Lincoln LS, and we got this Lincoln. I think this is a town car. I won't say it's a town car, but okay, we're gonna stick at looking at Lincolns because more likely they're around the same same length and seats. So I gotta get out of here because I'm about to run to the first auto repair off road. So actually, I'm just taking y'all with me. All right, hold on, we on the way. And boom, just like that, we are now at first auto repair off road. So we about to see how this train horn actually works, cause I don't know what I'm doing, to be exact. I got the switch and the button right here. Let me see, open the door so I can see a little better. I got the switch and button right there, but for some reason when I hit it, it don't work. Oh my god, they're about to come out here and show me how to use it. Cause they got a couple nice tricks on it too. There he is right there. That's nice. And that's nice. Not this, but the one on the other side of it. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's going on. Alright, it's alright. Hit sit. Even with the motor notice. What's going on?
So what?
For some reason I can't get it to blow. Like with the button.
With the button?
Yeah.
What button?
The one on the inside.
The one in it?
I mean, you just gotta tell me what each of them are for.
What button?
The black one right here.
The black one?
Yeah, what is that?
The black one ain't hooked up.
Okay, so it's just there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you want, we can tap it in, but it's you got so much going on right down there with the remote and everything. Yeah, but this is so you use that, you know.
I've been trying to, but it ain't even working.
What? Oh, shit, I won't blow him over there.
You just wanna let him know?
No. The point of
See?
Weird. You hear the compressor come on?
No.
No?
I texted Sonny last night. He said it might be a fuse.
Yeah. Maybe we put it. No, good. It's good. But you say you don't hear the compressor come on, huh?
Nah.
Probably damn relay. Probably the relay. You had key? It's in there, right?
Yeah. No, I got it.
Going back to check the relay real quick.
Alright. We about to pull it to the back. And we're gonna check my relay switch. Apparently that's probably what it is. Oh, that truck sounds good. Yeah. Oh, this is actually a nice change. I like this. I like the blue with that color as an accent color. I like it. Alright, so we're gonna go meet him back here, see what's going on with this. Shit, we can find out what's going on with this relay switch. Let me get out of here. Probably get copyrighted. It took sit like this for a while. That's unusual. So y'all see what the issue is. What is that leak out of there? At least, yeah, well I do, but can't reach it. It's chilly out here, yeah. And while he's getting this together, I might go look at this other truck right quick out here. TIS, man, this truck right here. And I talked to the guy, he's a really nice guy. He's a really nice guy. He's really down to earth. That truck is sick. It's even sick in person. That's a Honda over there. Whole frame. Nice C71. This little 4 right here is nice. I don't know if I can see it there or not, but nice little 4 right here. The only thing I don't like is the clips are sticking. Yeah, man, they got some nice stuff out here. I know they had stuff all back there too. But yeah, I talked to a buddy. He said hopefully his truck going there soon, but I think they're waiting on his new engine because his engine blew. And I think with Corona, that slowed everything down. So let's go back over here and see if we can find out what's going on. Alright, man, come to find out, it was just a relay switch. That's all it was, just a relay. So he put the new one in, and now I can hear the compressor come on, so we all good now. So now we about to see. I think we're about to test it out, see if it really works. But we can hit a compressor on that though. At first, we can't hit a compressor.
I'm gonna order another relay.
Okay.
Just in case. I have it here.
Okay.
Just if it go bad, you know, it takes literally 5 seconds a week.
Okay, cool.
But it's working now.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So we're good now.
Alright, man.
Alright, appreciate it. Alright, appreciate it.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have Sunday order another one for you.
Okay.
Just have it here and we go back and we just put it in real quick.
Okay.
Alright, man.
Alright, appreciate it.
Later.
So, as y'all see, he said he's gonna order another relay. Just to have. Not anything, like he just replaced it, so everything's good now. But we're just gonna have one here just to have. That's our buddy. That's our buddy that worked on my tires and stuff. But he's a good dude too. But now that that's done, we're about to go to work. We're about to go to work extremely early. Finally, we're working. But it wasn't their fault or anything. It's just, that's one of those things like you can't really control. A relay switch or something like that. Relay or anything. A relay or a fuse. Like you can't really predict that stuff. So those things just, like they're extremely sensitive and they'll just blow on you when you least expect it. But yeah. So I'm about to head to work, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. And this coming Saturday, I will be in Charlotte, North Carolina. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a few photo shoots. And make sure I'll be a part of the transformation of the old school. And my wife's gonna kill me for going out there. And I didn't buy anything, but she's still gonna kill me. So I'm out of here, y'all. Peace. I don't know why I did that, but peace. Okay, I know I told y'all I was going to work, but I had to stop Ultimate Audio right quick because I want to get my train horn hooked up to my alarm system. So he said I got to buy an aftermarket alarm system, which is not a problem. So I'll probably get that done about a month or so from now because we got a lot more stuff that we got to worry about. But it's just Ultimate Audio, they know what they're doing over here, man. They got the cold GMC, they got a cold Tahoe right there. That's a guy I talked to with Tesla Audio. He's here. Y'all can't see him because he just went around the corner. And there's a Hellcat wide body. Got the blacked out, but it got the yellow emblems on it. Right there in front of me, over there. It looks like, well, I know it's a Mustang 5.0, but I think they got the, I want to say a Ferrari kit on it. But they did all that. Like, bruh, I can't wait till I get that money. Start making that money, I could bring my car here and they could just build it how I want them to build it. I can't wait. But yeah, if y'all, that dude from Tesla, he's like extremely cool. I was in there chatting it up with him. And he actually remembered me too. So shout out to him and all his bills, man. Okay, but for real this time, I'm about to go to work. So I'm out. Peace.